Hi there, everyone. I hope you all are doing wonderful. Recently, we had some beautiful days which allowed us to be outside without a thick layer, and I thought of taking that opportunity to clean the balcony so I can enjoy the warm days outside even more. Here I am starting with cleaning the bird food, which seems to go everywhere. Birds love the food, but at the same time, they tend to drop a lot. We leave our holiday lights up until around March just because they feel warm when lit, and this is about time we take them off. We got these lights from Amazon and they have been out during snow and at least a couple rounds of rain. And I'm glad we got these ones because they are still in good shape even after seeing all that snow and rain. When I was recording this video, the beautiful sunset in the background made it extraordinary, and I was able to take a few moments to enjoy it as well. It's amazing what these little push pins can do. I have picture frames hanging on these, and here they help the light stay in place without being dropped. So I'm going to take them out as well. I thought of taking care of spider webs outside, but it was surprisingly clean for this time of the year, and hence it didn't take very long to clean. Now, these chairs have definitely seen better days, and I should have been more careful while taking care of these. But well, here we are. To clean these chairs, I took some warm water with little dish soap. It definitely took a lot longer than it looks like here in this video. I am happy that I was able to bring them in better condition and we will be able to use them a little more often. I had to change the water in between at least a couple times because the chairs were really dirty, and I also had to give it a good elbow grease, but it did work out at the end. Piyush loves this bike and he has already taken it out for a couple of times, so it was fairly clean. But I gave it a good vibe just because I was here. After taking care of this corner, this is how the balcony looks like on this side. And then I moved on to the next side where I have a plant which unfortunately did not survive the winters and a couple pots with some soil in it. I layered the ground with some newspapers just so our downstairs neighbor's balcony doesn't get all the soil. Just trying to be a good neighbor here. After this, I took out the soil and dirt of pots one at a time on the paper just so I could collect it all together. I found this beautiful ceramic pot near a curbside. It's amazing what you could find there and haven't gotten around to using it. But I am looking forward to using it this summer. You will see me really getting in there. I do love it when it comes to working with plants. For some reason, it makes me feel better even when I'm not in the best mood. I use the beach rocks at the bottom of the pots so that the water is collected at the bottom and not in the soil. And here I'm making sure to remove rocks from the soil. Usually, I would mix this soil with the new soil when I try to grow the plants, but this time I will be replacing it completely. I love spring for a few reasons, one of them being the new growth of plants. It's the time when you start seeing more and more people outside enjoying the weather, and it's the time when we can leave our windows open for longer time periods without being worried about freezing. And lastly, for the balcony, I topped off the food for the birds just so they can have a good time the next morning. I would sometimes just sit on my couch in the living room staring at these birds enjoying their meal, which can definitely put you in a better mood. Right after I was done on the balcony, I wanted to make a change in my living room as well. I have had this photo wall for about a year now and I have absolutely loved it. One of the greatest things about doing things yourself is you can make changes however and whenever you like. I love every single picture on this wall, but I think it was time to take it down. And it took me almost as long to take it down as it did when I was putting this wall up. I think having a cleaner wall will make the place look a little more neat, and of course, if I would want it, I can always put it back. After taking those pictures down, I was left with 1,000 pictures and this wall with the blue putty, which I got from Amazon about 2 years ago. I think I got to know about this putty from one of the YouTube videos, and let me tell you, this putty definitely made it so much easier to put that wall up without any damage. It took me a while, but I was able to take all the putty off of the wall and pictures. The trick to this is to roll the putty into the bigger chunk and it should do it. I have this beautiful little album where the photos will stay. Whenever we visit India, we take an album as a gift to our families and they seem to really enjoy it. Just some simple things that can make anyone happy, I guess. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and please click that subscribe button, press the like button and comment below what season is your favorite. I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.